Copying a list is a very common operation, but you have to be careful as to what exactly making a copy of a list means. Essentially in Python it means giving it a new name. Have a look at, for instance, this example. You see we assign A to variable B and then we print B. And we see this and we may ask, okay, but is it the same list that we had here, or is it a different list? And the answer is that it is the same list. So if you try to insert an element in list B, for instance, you may insert not at position 2, which is 0, 1, 2, this position here, the position of all, and then you print B, and then you print A. You will see that actually B has been modified, but A has also been modified. These two lists are the same. The reason for this behavior is that a list can be very long, so actually copying a list can use up more memory and take a long time while the list is copied. So in general, this type of shallow copy, as it is called, is sufficient. Obviously, sometimes we need a real copy, and by that we mean that we want to create a new list that contains a copy of each of the elements of the old list, and for that you can use a slicing operator. So if instead of writing simply B equal A, you write B equals A and then the index and the colon here, meaning a slice that goes from the beginning to the end of the list, then Python understands that you actually want it to copy each item individually. So if you change an item in list B, that is not going to affect list A, as demonstrated by this example. As an alternative, you can also use the copy method of string and write B equals A.copy, and this does the same.